guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day with eczema, how to clear eczema. This is all about my journey. I just wanted to show you guys a sample whole day video of how I eat to clear my eczema. So I'm going to show you guys my arms. That's why I'm in this mirror. So this is what my arm looks like. So here's the eczema on my arms. It kind of wraps all the way to the back. It's a little red today, but this is one of the best days I've had so far. And then on this arm I have a little bit on my wrist, and then again in that elbow area, wrapping all the way around my arm. And it looks a little bit redder than it actually is, so no worries guys, I'm actually doing a lot better. You know, I'm gonna put it in a different light and you can see, like, you know, it's not awful. We're doing a whole lot better with it. So we're gonna start with breakfast, and I'm gonna go downstairs and show you my oatmeal. Okay, so this is my first meal of the day. I just made some oatmeal with bananas on top, and the first thing that I'm going to tell you guys, starting with breakfast, is it's a little bit challenging as far as fruit when you have eczema because, at least for myself and my eczema, I have atopic dermatitis. We are very sensitive to a chemical called salicylates, and I'm going to put that here, salicylates. And it's basically what fruits and vegetables create as a natural pesticide. And so as far as fruits, we can have three. We can have bananas, papaya, and pears.
I eat pears now and shit like that. Shout out to all the pear.
And that's at least till our eczema starts to clear from our skin, and then we can slowly incorporate other fruits and vegetables. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this. I also wanted to tell you guys that I had just filmed a tutorial for how to make this eczema safe oatmeal, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so you just saw me make that meal. I have little rice noodles, cabbage, kidney beans, quinoa, a little bit of lentils, sweet potato, and beets. And so what I did was I meal prepped all of this ahead of time so that all I had to do was cook one thing and then heat up the rest. So that might be a trick you guys can try. It definitely saves time. Like, this took me about 10 minutes to cook, and it looks delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and eat this, and I will chat with you guys later. Alright guys, so I just got done with that bowl of food. It was absolutely delicious, and then I ended up actually going back downstairs and putting more beets and sweet potatoes on it because I like the way sweet food tastes. But I actually have a little bit of a reaction because of it. I'm feeling my eczema spots feel a little bit itchy, and I think that's a result from eating the beets. While beets are very low in the salicylates, they do contain some, and so I believe that my body is very sensitive to that, and so I have to avoid carrots because of that, and it seems as though I have to really limit the amount of beets that I have because it is getting a little bit red, and it definitely is a little bit itchy. So let me show you. So compared to earlier, I now have it's gotten a little bit redder, especially around the outside here, and then on this side that's gotten a little bit redder as well. So boo! I'm going to keep you guys updated on what I eat for the rest of the day. Alright guys, so I just made some sort of brownie. They're based on the black bean brownie recipe, but these are totally vegan. They also have chickpea flour in them, maple syrup, and those are not chocolate chips, they are carob chips. So I will let you guys know how these taste. Wow, so these actually turned out pretty darn good. I am very impressed. So I am going to enjoy my carob chip brownies, and I'm going to say goodbye. Thanks for watching, and let's rock this new year.